Hello everyone, my name is Pranju Sharma. How are you? Not so good? Why? Pressure, stress, anxiousness. Board exams are near and don't know the plan. Don't worry, I'm here to help you. Today we are going to learn 5 tips through which we can score 95% and above marks in economics. So let's get started. Number 1. Know your syllabus and resources. Generally, we don't focus on what is the syllabus, we only focus on the chapters. First, understand what is the marks bifurcation of every chapter. And one thing very important, stick to one content and one book which you are using throughout the year. Don't pick new book at this time because it is not going to help you. Now let us look at the blueprint of term 2. We all know we have 2 books, Macroeconomics and Indian Economic Development. This time we have subjective question paper. First, let's look at the macroeconomics. We are having 2 units over here. First, national income and related aggregates. Second is determination of income and employment. We know that the weightage of national income is 10 marks and the weightage of determination of income and employment is 12 marks. So by this it is clear that we need to give a little extra focus on the chapter determination of income and employment. And now look at the part B, Indian Economic Development. One unit is coming of 6 marks over here, that is development experience of India, a comparison with neighbors. So it requires a lot of focus and time. Second, we have current challenges facing Indian economy, employment, infrastructure, sustainable development. Although this unit is coming of 12 marks, but sustainable development is coming for 2 marks, infrastructure for 5 marks and employment for 5. So it is clear from here that you must give more time to the chapter employment and infrastructure as compared to sustainable economic development. So that is why it is important to know your syllabus. Now, point number 2, read, revise and write. These 3 things are crucial for every student. First of all, we know that exams are approaching. The time is getting lesser and lesser, but still you don't need to panic. You still have time in your hands. First, read every topic carefully and then start the revision. Revision is must. Why revision is must? Because it is in our brain that we have to cram everything. No, you don't have to cram. If you simply revise all the topics, then it will automatically fit in your brain and you don't need to cram anything. And then the last process will be write. Whatever you are reading, write it. There is so much data in economic development. Don't need to do everything. Pick out some important information, write down it on a chart paper and just stick it on your wall. Stick it in some place which you see all the time. And automatically you will find out that you are remembering this data. This data is going to go in your brain. And by this writing, you will find that things are getting easier and easier. So remember, reading is must, revision is of utmost importance, and write, especially write in points. Indian economy requires your good writing skills. If you don't write in points, if you write in a paragraph format, you are making it harder for the examiner, for the checker to check your answer sheet. So make it easier for them for the correction and by writing in points. So start writing so that it will become your habit and this habit will finally come in your exam. Third point, seek for help. First, help yourself. How? By managing your time. Cut down all the activities which are distracting you, and then you will find out that you will have ample time in your hand to become more productive in a day. In this, understand one thing, seek help from teachers or seniors. Generally we think that they will think us or take it us as a fool, but it is better to become a fool once than rest of your life. Take help from them. Take your doubts. Write down your answers and give it to them for correction. Don't think that what they will think about me. I don't even know this. That's okay. They are your teachers. They know everything about you and they are here to help you. So focus, clear your goal and bring your doubts. Fourth point, backward looking means look at all the sample question paper, all the previous year question paper. There are so many books available regarding that. How it is going to help you? First, if you will solve all the questions given over there, then you know exactly what you have to write down in your exam hall. You will have stock of ideas of what you need to write. You will not give much time to think that, oh God, what I have to write down now. And it will give you the essence of all the questions. For example, national income. Generally you get numerical questions. In the 10-year book, you will get to know that they just change the pattern of the question. They will just twist a little bit about the question. Otherwise, it will remain same. It is same from so many years. And by solving that, you will get to know the exact way, the way they are going to give the questions. Now, the last and the most important point, your mindset. In the same class, somebody is going to score 40 out of 40 and someone is going to score even less than 20 out of 40. What's the difference? Their mindset, how they perceive the things. We know that there were so many challenges this year, lockdown, COVID, but it's time to bury the past and think about the future. Talk to those people who bring positivity in your life, who motivates you. This time is crucial, which will never come again. Use it judicially. Thank you for watching. Believe in yourself and trust me, you will come out with flying colors.